Excuse me, sir, did my pussy fart? Oh, hello? Is this thing on? Oh, hi guys, it's Rula. Ah! Hey guys, so today what we have here is this 52-inch Hunter Alvarado ceiling fan, and the capacitor is starting to drift on it, so we're doing a demonstration. So, yeah guys, and Needle went to KFC today, and they ran out of chicken because, what was I supposed to say again?
Because they ran out of chicken.
Oh, because they ran out of chicken and, wait. Needle's too ugly anyway. I'm going back to bed. I don't know why Hula interrupted, but yeah, so there's low. Low should not be going this slow. But we'll go to medium. And as you can see, Karomi is just staring.
I actually lost the Hunter remote.
Oh. Anyways, so here's medium speed. It literally should not be going this slow. We'll go to high. Oh, and by the way, guys, there's Hula again. Oh, make sure to spam the comments with JX Alaska.
Oh yeah, in the comments, everyone who's watching this spam JX Alaska. In the comments.
But make sure not to spam too much, otherwise I'm gonna steal your wig.
And this concludes the video of the May 2024 Hunter Alvarado with the bad capacitor. And in the next video, you would see it. I'm going to put a 7 UF capacitor in it. And yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, get your wig.